This 2005 Monaco RV La Palma 37 PST is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Monaco RV is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, self-contained, oven, leveling jacks, slide-out, refrigerator, TV, stovetop burner, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, front kitchen, front living area, mid-bath, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2005 Monaco RV La Palma 37 PST is built on a WORKHORSE chassis and is powered by a GM engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.